If you're looking for a quick and simple way to shut off EverWebinar, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process so you can manage your settings and turn off EverWebinar without any hassle. Whether you're ending a webinar or just want to take a break, we'll show you exactly what to do. Before we get started, just know that you can actually use EverWebinar for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up. Now, let's jump in and make this process super easy for you. Next thing, let's first go to your EverWebinar dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your upcoming webinars listed on the main screen. Find the webinar you want to shut off. This could be a live or automated webinar. The process is the same for both. Now, click on the webinar title to open the settings. When you're in the settings page, look for the status section. This is where you control whether the webinar is live or scheduled. To shut it off, simply change the status from active to inactive or archived. This stops the webinar from running, but don't worry, you can always reactivate it whenever you want. Next, let's talk about the upcoming webinar notification. Even if you've turned off the live webinar, you might still get notifications. To ensure you're not receiving unnecessary updates, head over to the Notifications tab. Turn off any email notifications about upcoming webinars or recordings that you no longer need. The fourth thing to check is your Evergreen webinar series. If you have an Evergreen webinar series running, shutting off one session doesn't always shut off the entire series. You'll want to go into the series settings and make sure to turn off each individual session. This will ensure your entire automated series is paused. Finally, don't forget about your audience settings. If you're running live webinars, go into the audience section and cancel any upcoming registration pages or links that you may have set up. That's the easiest way to ensure no one is able to sign up for webinars that are now inactive. And that's all there is to it. A few simple clicks and your EverWebinar will be turned off without any complications. One last thing, in case you didn't catch it earlier, you can try EverWebinar for free with our exclusive trial by clicking the first link below. This extended free trial gives you more time to explore everything the platform offers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out that link and get started today. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's easy to control your webinars with just a few steps.